Once you start tracking your data, you need to track it for a good year to have adequate information. Now, that does not mean that you wait a full year before you actually start making changes to start cutting energy costs. Once you have your data, what you're going to do is you're going to take that data and you're going to go to your organization. You don't need to do this alone. This is something that you cannot do alone. You need to get other people in your organization involved in what you're doing with the energy management program, with implementing a program that is going to cut your utility usage and your costs. You need to explain to them how the utility costs affects the budget of your organization, and relate it to them. Say if you are doing this at a university, and you're talking to college professors and that sort of thing, relate that to the amount that students pay in tuition. Relate that to how many students it would take the tuition just to pay a particular utility bill. And that's something that they understand. That's something that is going to get them in the same mindset as you in cutting your utility costs. You've got to have that data. That's what you've got to have before you start going out to people. Track that data, get your information that you need ready, and get it compiled into a comprehensive report to where you can go to your organization and say, look, this is how much we're spending, we can do better. And we have all of these options available. We're going to take just baby steps, and the more baby steps that you do, when you get into something like this, it's going to snowball. A savings in one area will help you pay for savings in other areas. It will help you to invest into newer technologies and that sort of thing. But once again, you have got to get other people involved. You've got to get other people in your organization wanting to help. If it's just the little things, some of the little things that they could do, like once they leave a room that they're not using, turn the lights off, that sort of thing. If they're not going to use a room for a while, it might be a good idea, if possible, just to shut the power off to that room completely, especially if there's any equipment in there, like computers and that sort of thing. Once you get into like a larger area where there are a lot of computers or other equipment, that stuff draws electricity. If it's at all possible that those pieces of equipment can be shut down, that is another baby step that you can do. But once again, you have got to go to the people in your organization, get them involved in what you are doing. Anyways, guys, that is the second step in implementing an energy management program. We have talked about how that you have got to collect your data, and then how you have got to get other people involved. Hope you liked the video. Drop me any comments down below. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.